Imagine a sweet treat that does more than tantalize your taste buds. Herbal Infused honey combines nature's finest herbs with pure honey to create a powerhouse of wellness. When honey is infused with herbs like chamomile, lavender, or thyme, it becomes a soothing remedy for sore throats, digestive upset, and stress. Simply drizzle it into your tea or enjoy a spoonful for a calming effect. Its natural antibacterial properties also support immune health and wound healing. Herbal infused honey is a simple, delicious way to care for your body, naturally and gently.